What's up, guys and gals? This is Josh at CTM Customs. Today we're going to talk about brakes. I really like the PowerStop products that I'm going to talk to you about today. These guys offer the truck and tow Z36 Extreme Tow Package for pickup trucks, light duty pickup trucks, heavy duty pickup trucks. The reason I like these so much is because guys will come into our shop all the time and talk about how dusty their wheels are. This virtually eliminates that. Going from a metallic pad material to a carbon fiber ceramic material, not only are you stopping better, but you're keeping the dust down. Really good products. These guys offer brake kits, which are gonna come with your pads and which are gonna come with your rotors. As you can see, they're nice and shiny. Well, that's because they're zinc plated. This is to prevent corrosion. Drilled and slotted to help get the gases out and off your wheels. Really nice stuff. So if you're a truck owner, whether you're towing or not towing, this is a good upgrade for all you guys that are out there just trying to keep your truck nice and clean. PowerStop does offer these for cars. We've sold a lot on the trucks, but they offer them for track cars, sports cars, tuner cars, muscle cars, drag cars. They have a whole array of brake parts. Once again, my name is Josh from CTM Customs. If you guys have any brake questions, whether it be for a car or truck brake upgrade, if this is something that you're looking for, just give us a shout. We can help troubleshoot your brake concerns, or we can upgrade you into something really sweet. Give us a call at the shop at any time. We're here to help you guys out. Thank you so much.